Hey, I want to show you something, but let me first make this rectangle and drag it over here. Right about here. Yeah, that's where I wanted it, not. Control-Zing that. Also, let me see the undo history. All right, and pressing 4 to jump back and zooming out. So this auto-scrolling is super annoying, this auto-selecting is super annoying, because I really wanted to select this thing down here, which is a bunch of nothing. Number 4, zoom out. Yeah, so to disable that, go to Edit, go to Preferences, go to Zoom, Behavior, Zooming, right? Behavior, Scrolling, right, scrolling, it was scrolling. And here it's auto-scrolling, it's called auto-scrolling. And to fix it, you set this to 0, and then you press no OK button. You just close it. And now it doesn't drag scroll thingy anymore, and select also. Ta-da! And now let's do something fun with stupid numbers. I hope you enjoyed that. Maybe one less, maybe one less stupid number. Is it still scrolling? Oh. How about now? Oh. Isn't that nice? Whoa, it's move. Can we disable that? No, we cannot disable that. So, yeah. All right. Woo. Wait. Okay, bye.